I married you. And I never knew that you can love me more than you have loved me for the past years. I thank you for your patience. Salamat kasi lahat ng gusto ko ginagawa mo para sa akin. You make my dreams into reality. So bawat araw na nakikilala kita, ramdam ko ang kagustuhan mong maging maayos at masaya ang future natin. Thank you for that, baby.
Morning, come quickly. You're holding my breath this time. I'm nervous, I see what's happening.
Papa, sana nandito ka with us, and lalo na ngayon, ito yung pinaka-antay kong moment. And I wish you're here with me sa paglakad ko, papunta sa taong pinakamamahal ko. Miss na kita, Papa, sobra. I love you.
Hi baby, congratulations to the both of us, and I'm very happy na natuloy din tayo at last, no? It took us 1 year, and sobrang daming hardships ang inabot natin para dito, pero here we are, trusting God's plan, and nangyayari to sa atin lahat dahil hindi tayo pinapabayaan ni Lord, and I'm very happy na kasama kita ngayon, and I know forever kitang makakasama habang buhay.
Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Albert, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Albert and Camille, are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children the Lord will give you?
Yes, Father.
We are thankful for the gift of good health. Kaya kung papipiliin kayo kung anong mas maganda, yung bonggang gusto nyo o bonggang gusto ni Lord, palagay ko you know the answer. Trust in the Lord, no matter the struggle. Mas marami pa rin blessings si Lord that will keep you safe, keep you loved, and keep you going for the rest of your life.
Officially nang mag-asawa tayo. So, marami po tayong pagdadaanan, pero just like what Father said, one heart and one soul. And with that, I love you so much, and let's get ready.
I vow to love you and respect you and support you sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, baby. Alam ko,
marami kang plano para sa atin, marami rin tayong plano. And ito na yung simula ng panghabang buhay natin, baby. Ito yung inaantay natin na may church blessing tayo para matuloy natin yung mga plans natin. I love you, baby, and lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Albert John and Bien Camille Tyson with their first kiss as husband and wife.